Today, I'm taking you one of the most famous places in Istanbul, Galata Tower, and the view at the top. You have to see it yourself. Let's go. Our first word today is view. View means the things you can see from a place, and today we are going to see some amazing views of Istanbul. We left the hotel and started walking through the streets of Istanbul. The city was already full of people, cars, and little shops, but I love the energy here. This is the Golden Horn Bridge. We walked all the way across it and look at the water, the boats, and the fishermen. In Istanbul, seeing people fishing on the bridges is very common. The weather was cloudy, but honestly, it made the city look even more beautiful. Our second word is bridge. A bridge connects two places. We walked across this bridge to get closer to Galata. Before going to tower, we walked through the nearby streets. There were paintings, clothes shops, and small local stores everywhere. Istanbul streets are never boring. And finally, we arrived at Galata Tower. It's one of the most famous and historical places in Istanbul. But there was one problem. It was very crowded. Word number 3. Crowded. Crowded means there are a lot of people in one place. And yes, Galata Tower was very crowded that day. We waited in line, but it was worth it. Here's something interesting. In Turkey, teachers can visit museums and historical places for free. Yes, you heard right. My wife and I are both teachers, so our tickets were free. Then we went up and wow, look at this. You can see the Bosphorus, the mosques, the bridges, the whole city from here. This was my favorite moment of the day. Our fourth word is magnificent. Magnificent means extremely beautiful and impressive, and this view from the top was truly magnificent. Inside the tower, there was also a small museum with historical objects, and on the way down, we used the old stone stairs. And yes, there was a souvenir shop too, full of colorful Turkish gifts. Our fifth word is souvenir. A souvenir is something you buy to remember a place. Istanbul has so many beautiful souvenirs. At the bottom, we saw a flight simulation inspired by Hezarfen Ahmet Çelebi. He is famous for flying from Galata Tower across the Bosphorus. Such a fun way to connect history with technology. After Galata, we walked through Karaköy. We saw beautiful old buildings, street cats, and finally baklava. We ended the day at Karaköy Güllüoğlu with some delicious Turkish baklava. Every bite was crunchy and sweet, the perfect ending. So today we learned 5 words: view, bridge, crowded, magnificent, and souvenir. Which word was your favorite today? And have you ever been to Istanbul? Tell me in the comments. And if you enjoyed this slow English flow video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.